Hey, welcome back to RamZland. A few weeks ago, we did a single displacement reaction using lithium and water, which of course makes lithium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. But today I want to show you a reaction between lithium and 12 molar hydrochloric acid. Check this out. So for this reaction, I'm going to use 12 molar hydrochloric acid, some lithium that I'm storing in mineral oil, a spatula to cut my lithium, a dropper, and I'm going to use a pretty long test tube to contain this reaction. Here are a couple small pieces of lithium that I've cut. You can see after you remove that oxide layer how bright and shiny they are. Lithium only has 3 protons. It is the lightest metal on Earth. It's so light it can float on water. Once you've added a small piece of lithium to your test tube, you're ready to add a little bit of 12 molar hydrochloric acid. Just a few drops will get this reaction going right away. This is a single displacement reaction that will create the products lithium chloride and hydrogen gas. It's a very exothermic reaction. You see that lithium just bouncing on the surface of the hydrochloric acid. And you can touch the test tube and it feels very, very hot to the touch. Very exothermic. And that's the end of the reaction. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time.